Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2006 Ford 500. If this video is helpful, can you hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below? It really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood, and then we're going to come right here. Right there is your low pressure port hose adapter. So we're going to take that cap off. Set it somewhere safe, and then we're gonna hook up our AC line. All you need to do is just clip this on. Just push it down and you'll hear it click. Sorry, there we go. And then we're gonna set this over here out of the way. Then we're gonna go start our car. So let me start our car. Turn our AC all the way to the lowest setting. Make sure your AC is on, and then turn your fan up to the highest blower setting. Now we're gonna look at our gauge. You can see we've only got 10 pounds of pressure in there. So we're just gonna squeeze the trigger and start adding refrigerant to the system. We're going to oscillate the can between noon and 3. Alright, so we're just going to keep adding refrigerant until the system. You can see there it's drawn it down. That's what we want to see. Sometimes your compressor will kick off and the needle will pop up. And as you keep adding pressure, it'll pop back on. This is what you'll see when your compressor is kicking on and off. Right now it's on. You can see it's drawing the level down. It just popped off. It's going to rise, and then you'll hear a click, and it'll start drawing back down again. Just like that. So that means you need to keep filling it up a little bit because it doesn't have quite enough refrigerant in the system. What you want to do is fill this up until it's in the green space here. It's about 30 to 50 depending on your temperature. A little bit hotter, a little bit higher. So you're just going to keep adding refrigerant. So I think you get the idea. Hope this video is helpful. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description, where you can get some refrigerant and a recharge hose if you want. Check those out if you want to. If not, no big deal. And have a good one, guys.